This video tutorial will show you how to open up a module for your students to be able to view that page. So what you will do is you will go to Course Manager. You will then click Permissions. And then over on the right-hand side, you will click on Students. And as you can see, the page color did change. And I'm going to go down and find the March 30th and April 3rd module. As you can see right here in red, it's telling me that the students cannot see this module as of yet. What I will do is now allow them to view it by just clicking on Can View. And now when I scroll down and find March 30th and April 3rd's module, you can see here that the students now can view it. Because this page is not ready for student view as it's in the process of being built, I'm going to just go back and click No Access. Now I will go back and find that March 30th and April 3rd module, and it's returned back now to the students not being able to view that page. And then just go on down to the left-hand side and click Exit, and this will get you right back to the first page of your course.